Got a Range Rover Evoque here. The owner's just about had it with the car, so he's going to trade it in. So he wanted it to look better. So here's the before pictures. Lights were just starting to go, as you can see. Obviously, a Range Rover needs better looking lights. And we gave him just what he wanted. Come and look at the afters. Look at this. Nice, right? The way the car is supposed to look. Perfect. Perfection. If you're in need of a headlight restoration and you're in South Florida, the Miami-Dade area, the Broward County, Palm Beach, 754-302-0769. Text us the pictures of your lights so we can give you a nice estimate. Or call us, 754-302-0769, mobile.